peeky of the yard while we're at it. Okay, so again, I could leave the windows wide open, right? You get the privacy, like being in a limousine. I highly recommend it. She wants to get out there to the yard. It almost, I feel bad because what she does is she runs underneath the deck and then she won't basically, see, she wants to get over there, right? Then she won't come out from underneath it. All right, so let me go ahead and show you, okay, we're also, since we're out here, we're at with the yard. Oh yeah, now it matches the shed. I see that's all tinted out. Hey, my slippers are making noise. Hey, I wanted you guys to see the Charlie Brown tree. Look at that, huh? Go back, huh? Doesn't it? Look at it. That's called a purple locust. Yeah. All right. Let's see this other windows. Basically tinted. All right, let's show you the other side. The other basically tree we put in. It got some nice purple flower right now too. Just a different shade. Can't wait for that guy to get bigger. Now, you see a pile right there, right? At the end, all that'll be done, right? Cleaned up, I mean. All right, so there's still a little bit to do in the backyard project. We have to do over here where the purple locust is, where I poured those slabs, right? Storage shed, so we don't see stuff like ladders, right, or whatever. Okay. Got the fire pit. Run a propane tank underneath the deck. All right, and we'll show you guys. Oh man, thank you, David. Right, New Mexico tent. Yeah, it looks great. Right, but you know what's more exciting is doing it with you folks, because now you got to see, especially all you do-it-yourselfers, how to basically go about it, all right, as far as running film on your windows. Oh, one more project. We got to do a crowning effect on the spillway. Anyway, I got to get back to my OSHA studies. That's what I'm doing, because I want to go get out there with the youngsters, right, and build some new homes. What do you say, little Lena? Do you approve? Huh? What you thinking? What you thinking? Huh? You want to hang out here? Yeah, she likes her backyard. All right, let's get back to work. I want to thank you for watching the video. And please, we could use your help. Hit the like button and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next video.